Module 8. Network configuration, remote access, and cloud integration in CCTV and smart automation. Module overview. As CCTV and smart automation systems evolve, the ability to connect, monitor, and control devices remotely has become a cornerstone of modern security and home/business automation. Unlike traditional closed-loop CCTV systems, today's solutions depend heavily on network infrastructure, remote access technologies, and cloud platforms to deliver real-time monitoring, smart alerts, and integration with mobile and IoT devices. This module provides you with in-depth mastery of network protocols, router/switch configurations, IP addressing, NAT, network address translation, DDNS, VPNs, and cloud-based services. It also covers cybersecurity considerations, data encryption, and compliance requirements to ensure that systems are not only functional, but also resilient against cyber threats. 1. Fundamentals of CCTV networking. The shift from analog CCTV, DVR-based, to IP CCTV, NVR hybrid systems. Importance of IP cameras in network-driven surveillance. Key components: routers, switches, access points, modems, PoE injectors, cloud servers. Differences between LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network, in CCTV deployments. 2. IP addressing and device management static versus dynamic IP assignment for cameras and recorders, using tools like Angry IP Scanner, Advanced IP Scanner, OnVIF Device Manager for discovery. Assigning unique IPs to avoid conflicts in medium/large installations, subnetting and VLANs for separating CCTV traffic from other organizational data. Importance of DHCP reservations for stability. 3. Port forwarding, NAT, and DDNS. How port forwarding enables external access to NVR/DVR/cameras. Risks of open ports and best practices for firewall hardening. Using dynamic DNS, NoIP, DuckDNS, DinDNS, HackerConnect, Dahua P2P for consistent access despite ISP-assigned changing IP addresses. NAT traversal challenges in cloud-based CCTV. 4. VPN and secure remote access. Why VPNs are preferred over port forwarding for enterprise-grade security. Configuring OpenVPN, L2TP/IPsec, WireGuard for secure remote access. End-to-end encrypted tunnels for video streaming. Role of zero trust security in smart automation environments. 5. Mobile and multi-platform access integration with mobile apps. HackerConnect, IVMS 4500, Dahua DMSS, Reolink, Uniview, etc. Configuring push notifications for motion detection, intrusion, fire alarms, and smart home events. Browser access versus dedicated desktop client software. Cloud P2P versus direct IP streaming, trade-offs in latency, stability, and data costs. 6. Cloud-based CCTV and smart automation. Evolution of cloud CCTV, centralized recording, AI analytics, storage redundancy. Public cloud, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, versus private cloud, NAS-based solutions like Synology/QNAP. Cloud-enabled smart automation hubs, Google Home, Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Tuya. Hybrid approaches, local NVR plus cloud backup for failover redundancy. 7. Cybersecurity and compliance common vulnerabilities. Default passwords, outdated firmware, open ports. Best practices, firmware updates, strong authentication, encrypted RTSP streams. Compliance with GDPR, Europe, NDPR, Nigeria, HIPAA, health sector, PCI DSS, finance sector, when handling surveillance data. Risk of deepfakes and AI attacks in CCTV security feeds. Multi-factor authentication, MFA for smart automation dashboards. 8. Troubleshooting network-related issues. Diagnosing camera offline issues using ping, tracert, and packet capture, Wireshark. Resolving bandwidth congestion by adjusting bitrate, resolution, and frame rates. Identifying faulty switches, overloaded PoE or faulty cables, Cat5e versus CAT6 versus fiber. Correcting NAT loopback and ISP blocking issues. Using SNMP and SYSLOG for enterprise monitoring.